Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. We have been discussing nouns. Today we will continue the same and talk about its noun and its cases in a sentence. The noun case. Examine the following sentences carefully. John threw a stone. The horse kicked the boy. Now, you remember what a subject is and what a predicate is. In the sentence 1, noun John is the subject, okay, and it is the answer to the question who threw the stone. John threw a stone. So John is the subject. It is the answer to the question who threw the stone. Okay. Now the group of words threw a stone is the predicate of a sentence. The predicate contains the verb threw. See, threw a stone. So verb predicate always contains a verb. Here the predicate contains the verb threw. What did John throw? A stone. Thus, a stone is the object which John threw. Okay? Now the stone is therefore called the object. So we must now remember that what is a subject, what is a predicate, and what an object is. So in the sentence, John is the subject, threw a stone is the predicate, and stone is object. So the stone is the object which John threw. The noun stone is therefore called the object. In sentence 2, the noun horse is the subject. We are talking about horse. It kicked the boy. So kick the boy is the predicate. Okay? Who kicked the boy? Horse kicked the boy. The noun boy is the object. Whom? This is answer to whom. Whom the horse kicked. So we say boy is the object. It is the answer to the question whom did the horse kick. So object is always the answer to whom. When a noun or pronoun is used as the subject of a verb, just remember, when a noun or pronoun is used as the subject of a verb, it is said to be in the subjective or nominative case. When a noun or pronoun is used as the object of a verb, it is said to be in the accusative case. For example, we say the horse kicked the boy. So here, who kicked the boy? The horse. So it is the subject. Kicked. Whom it kicked the boy. So it is the object. So object of a verb is always said to be in the accusative case. Okay. So remember, object is always in the accusative case. Subject is always in the nominative or subjective case. Note, to find the nominative, put who or what before verb. You ask, for example, the horse kicked the boy. So you can ask, who kicked the boy? The horse. So that is the subject. Whom it kicked? The boy. It is the object of the verb. Now, a noun which comes after the preposition is also said to be in the objective case. For example, the book is on the desk. Now, the noun desk is in the accusative case, governed by a preposition on. Okay, because a preposition came before the desk, therefore it is said to be in the objective case or an accusative case. Now, read the following sentences. Harry broke the window. Object. What is object? Window. The window was broken. Subject. Now you see, window is the object in the first sentence. Window is the object in the first sentence. But the window again in the second sentence is the subject. It can be observed that nouns in English have the same form for the nominative or accusative case. A noun can be used in different way. It can be sometimes in the nominative case when it is used as a subject. When it is used as an object, it is called in accusative case. Generally, nominative form comes before the verb. Now you see Harry came first, then came verb, and the accusative after the verb. Okay, for example, Harry hit Muhammad. Okay, so Muhammad is object. Hence, they are distinguished by the order of the words or by the sense. Okay? Examine the following sentences. This is Muhammad's umbrella. See, this is another case. This is Muhammad's umbrella. Muhammad's umbrella means the umbrella belonging to Muhammad. So Muhammad's umbrella means the umbrella owned by Muhammad. Okay. Now the form of the noun Muhammad is therefore said to be in the possessive or genitive case. So in the form, when you use Muhammad's book, Nasser's book, pen. So there you are just saying the ownership or the possession of the pen or book. So in such case, in a noun, when a noun is used in this form with an apostrophe and s, we'll say it is in the possessive or genitive case. The possessive answers the question whose. Whose pen is this? For example, if you ask whose pen is this, you will say this is Muhammad's or Nadir's. So this is called possessive case. The possessive case does not always denote possession. It may also denote authorship, origin, kind, among other relations as in the following sentences. Shakespeare's plays. It means the plays written by Shakespeare. A mother's love. Okay, which means the love felt by a mother. The court's decree. The decree passed by the court. Solomon's temple. The temple built by Solomon. With this, we conclude our lesson. Please write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to receive more lessons in our English grammar series.